Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch project views in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we find our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into project, let's say it's test 1. And here it opens up in one kind of view. Now it's in board, but to switch it to another kind, we can just go into the top left corner, and under the name of the project, we find a little toggle list. Now it says board, as you can see here. And if we tap on this, then we are able to select the kind of view that we want to see the project in. Let's say it's list. Now it's going to be a list view, or it's a calendar. Now it has switched to the calendar view. Or if we have a desktop app, we can just tap on timeline or progress. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.